Okay, so a quick update on the stereo issue. I finally just replaced the fuse, and at first there was just no audio coming from the stereo at all. As you can see, it's on and I can touch everything, but now since I replaced the fuse because it was burnt out, it finally works. And I might remind you, when I first did this, I wasn't really sure what was going on, so I tried the soft reset to where you hold the volume button and the tune button. I tried a hard reset to where you unplug the negative battery terminal, and none of that had worked. And so my last resort was looking at the amplifier fuse, and I replaced it, and now it's working. So if you have any issues with that, I would definitely take a look at your amplifier fuse. But if all of those aren't working, then you might have to take it to a dealership or a shop that specializes in audio or something like that, because I really didn't want to go to the dealership and pay an arm and a leg just for something I could fix at home for a couple bucks.